It's getting cooler, it's getting wetter, and we're getting ready for winter. Today I'll be showing you how to set up these guys for the cooler season within 3 minutes. Promise. Hi Smart Gardeners, and welcome back to yet another 3-Minute Thursday. I'm Matt, and today we'll be talking about getting these ready for winter. Now you want to check with your local water authorities if you've got any sprinkler bans in place in your area. Now in the cooler months it won't be necessary for you to water your lawn as often as in summer. So therefore we recommend saving a bit of water here and actually turn your irrigation controller into winter mode. Now it's pretty easy to do with the irrigation controllers here. For us, you turn the dial into the off position and the controller will keep all the program saved on the unit, and come spring again is as easy as turning it back into the run position and it commences your watering schedule as before. That works on the bigger controllers as well. Simply turn it in the off position for the winter off, come spring, turn it back into run, and the schedule will be there as normal. Now as for our tap timers, it's very similar. However, here you want to hold down the off button for 3 seconds and it goes into winter mode. Now you see the little sprinkler there crossed out in the LCD display. Come spring again, to reverse that, hold the off button again and it has the normal programming back in place. Now winter is also a great time to check your batteries in your controllers or your tap timers. Now if you've got frost in your area, we actually recommend taking your tap timer off the tap and store them inside somewhere, and then in spring attach them back to the tap. And the battery on the irrigation controllers are under the terminal cover here. Simply take the battery off, and come spring again you want to insert a new battery and you're ready for the season. If you want to keep as much color in your lawn as you can, we recommend a very light hand watering in the morning just before the sun comes up. It's also a great time to aerate your lawn because that will encourage root growth in your lawn and set it up greatly for springtime. Now by doing these really simple steps, you're perfectly set up for the colder months. There you have it guys, your controller and tap timers are ready for the winter season. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you smart gardeners in the next video. By having the extra surface area, your lawn will take advantage of the extra photosynthesis.